Welcome to another episode of Skid's Garage. Today, we're getting exhausted. This is the coolest car in the world! So today we're off to Elite Exhausts and Fabrication to make the 180 sound go from this.
But all I'm saying, they're gonna get
to this.
Loud noises!
So we're going from the NA exhaust, which is a 2 1/4 system from when it was obviously non-turbo. Had a muffler in it and sounded really good when it was NA, but I feel like it's just choking the turbo a bit now that we've got all of the boost. So yeah, we're just cruising along the Gateway motorway. Got the 180 on the back. Gonna go see Danny Boy and see what he recommends. Hey Danny, how are you?
Good mate, how are you?
Good, good. Hey, we're down here at, what's the name of your shop?
It's Elite Exhausts and Fabrication
Whereabouts?
at Johnston Road in Brendale.
Fantastic. And how long have you been here for, matey?
It's just going on 7 months now.
Yeah, you love it?
Yeah, it's good, eh? Really good.
Awesome.
We've done it years ago.
Yeah. You love all my regular size bolts on the exhaust? So
What you do when you're at home?
what sort of system are we doing today, mate?
So we're just going to do a 3-inch mild steel dump pipe back system with a set of 3.5-inch blast pipes, set of V-bands up the back, and we'll just do a small 3-inch res in the front.
Fantastic. Gonna sound good?
Yeah, sounds really good.
Awesome. So you're just tacking it with the MIG?
Yeah, and then it all just gets TIG welded, moved back.
So what's the advantage of TIG welding the exhaust over the MIG?
Just looks a lot neater. A lot neater than MIG welds. I hate seeing big sloppy MIG welds on a mandrel vent system. Especially if you're going to spend, 2 or 3 hours hand making a system, just to have some big sloppy shit welds on it.
And now mandrel bent versus press bent. Big flow difference?
Big flow difference because you keep the radius of the tube in the mandrel bent, whereas like your old system, the press bent you lose part of the bend. Hence the price difference too between going from press to mandrel bent.
Yep.
So, but especially in performance stuff, mandrel bent's the way to go.
Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth it.
Now?
So we've just cut the blast pipes, 3.5-inch mild steel tube. It's about 17 degrees. So what we'll do now, we'll just TIG them around, cut them through square on both of them, join them together, TIG them, and then cut the end open to take a 3-inch what the system is.
scouting here, mate?
So this is the muffler itself, 12 inches long. It's a 3-inch, it's a 409 Hurricane muffler. They just tend to work a lot better.
So you mentioned before that's a V-band clamp.
Yeah.
And what's the, how does that work?
So this is a quick release version. So you just back the nut off, close it, it's open, it's apart.
Fantastic. And is there an advantage of that over a normal 2-bolt flange?
No gasket. You're not going to lock bolts up over time, have to replace gaskets. It's quick release. It literally takes 3 seconds to get apart. So it makes it a lot easier. If you have to pull the system off, put it back together. Just, like I said, you literally put the thing together, dub, do the bolt up, sorted.
So just got home after getting the new exhaust. Super excited about the sound, super happy with it. Can't wait till the next track day and see if it made a difference in power, but definitely has a better sound to it now. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Next video we'll be doing some turbo supporting mods to that. Fuel regulator, intercooler, coil packs, and then just some more track day stuff. So see you next time.